guys, it's Jen with 2Ns. Today I'm going to show you how to use peel base with dip powder. I already have peel base under this mani, so we're going to start with a cuticle pusher. You want to get the cuticle pusher underneath the color dip where it meets your nail. Sometimes they pop right off. If you're spending too much time on one nail, just try a different spot. Sometimes that helps. Sometimes they take a little more love. And sometimes you'll get a nail that both pops off and needs more love. If you're having trouble, soak your hands in water for a few minutes to soften the peel base. Or file the edges of your sidewall. Be careful not to stab yourself. I broke a nail during this process. I did a previous video on how to fix it with a coffee filter, so make sure you watch it. After the dip is removed, prep your nails for the new application. You can use an e-file or a hand file. If you're using an e-file, start off on low. And make sure not to over-file. I had clear dip under my peel base. I had to file that down on my broken nail so that I could reapply the dip after I fixed the nail. File and shape your nails to your desired look. If you're going to apply clear dip under your peel base, do that now. That will be in a separate video. Note, it's not necessary, only a preference. After you shaped and filed your nails and did your clear dip with or without top coat, now it's time to buff your nails. The smoother the better. Peel base will not work if the nail surface is rough. Dust off your nails. You can wash them if you want. Or you can wipe them with an alcohol wipe. Now it's time to apply the peel base. You'll have to play around with it to find out how many coats work best for you and how thick or thin you need personally. I find if I want my manicure to last longer, I only do one coat. But if I want to change it out in a couple of days, I use 2 thick coats. Peel base is water-based, so if you get your hands wet often, your nails may pop off earlier than you expected. Wait for the peel base to dry before you start the color application. Generally, it takes between 5 to 7 minutes for it to fully dry. Once the peel base is dry, you're ready to dip. Thank you for watching. See you next time.